Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or well, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Phil. I'm a regional flight attendant in Northern Canada, and in this video, I want to show you guys what I pack in my lunchbox when I'm going to work. So I'm currently in between trips. I flew yesterday and I'm flying again tomorrow for 4 days straight, so today I definitely have to get some meal prep done. I have a good idea of what food I want to bring, but I still have to go shopping, so I'm taking you with me to the grocery store. So for this trip, I bought some no added sugar chocolate pudding and red pepper hummus, some raspberry and oat bars, bananas, applesauce packets, breakfast shakes, a yummy salad, some salami, cheese and crackers, some cold water infusions, and tortillas. So I already had some eggs, some turkey breasts, some Italian sausages, as well as some pre-cooked rice packets, some butter sauce chickpeas with sweet potatoes, a couple Cliff Bars, as well as some nut bars from Costco, some yummy veggies to snack on, some keto crackers to go as well with some peanut butter, and some low-carb bread. There's also the necessities to make a chicken salad, and a homemade lasagna. So this is the Crew Cooler 2 by eBags. On top there's the dry food compartment, the cold compartment in the middle, a front pocket, and side pockets large enough to fit a very large water bottle on each side. On the back there's the panel that allows you to slip the cooler on your suitcase handle. The top compartment has a zipped pocket, and I always carry my salt and pepper shakers in there as well. In the zipped pocket I carry some small essentials like wipes, band-aids, pans, and hand cream. It's a total mess in there. The main compartment is insulated, and I'm able to keep my food cold all day without any ice packs. In the front pocket, I always carry reusable cutlery, a piece of tin foil, some orange packets, and some tea bags. I always keep some Tylenol and my X-ray crew tag, just like I have in my suitcase. Alright you guys, so now my food is all packed up, my kitchen's a mess, and I still have to pack my suitcase. So I'm gonna go and do that. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe for more adventures, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!